Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can make your Redmi Note 10 Lite louder. So at the start, sadly we don't have any option in the full settings of the system. You don't have an equalizer or something like that. So we have to download an app for that. This is the app, Volume Booster from GoodF. There you have a name of this app, so just find it in the Google Store and install. Then click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Then tap OK. And how you can see by this little slider, you can increase and decrease the volume booster power. That's it. If you want to stop this service, tap on this button, click OK, and this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.